retakes. So yeah, that is definitely not original. That's an add-on because that's indicator. So that's manual busting. So let's let this lift again. Let's go to 2. Yeah, so sensitive 5 kgs and 9%. I'll prove it to you. Prove it that this is not. That this did not used to have touching buttons. In fact, look! This is shattered on! We got 2. Let's see if anyone's outside. Oh, no. Oh wait, oh, that's changed. Okay, never mind. What? I thought there used to be a flipping touch. Yeah, this apparently used to have touch buttons. Well, not anymore. So yeah, this lift is definitely not all that interesting, and it's all one. This is touching buttons. Maybe it does. Well, I'm definitely not gonna be able to find that out. So, oh no. But yeah, that was definitely disappointing. Yeah, because last time I was here, they can touch these buttons on floor 2, but not so much anymore. That's it.